Assalamu alaikum. Glad to see you all again. These are Italian ladies' finger biscuits. Soft, airy, and a little crisp to bite in. So let me show you the ingredients first. Shall I? This is the correct time to add sugar since egg whites have started becoming foamy. Roughly add half of the sugar in egg whites, but gradually. Continue whipping these egg whites until stiff peaks are formed. grams of all-purpose flour, 1 level teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Just mix all these ingredients. Now dust some powdered sugar on the top. This gives beautiful crust and texture. You have to dust twice. So light, airy. Chalo, now let's assemble our dessert. Okay, Ladyfinger biscuits, coffee, quick dip in coffee. So जल्दी से dip करना है, बाहर निकाल लेना है, otherwise it will get soggy. Keep in freezer for 15 minutes to level it again. Place it in freezer again. Cocoa powder dusting. Classic tiramisu.